and welcome to MetroRecorderTime Beginners. We skipped a couple of pages because I honestly don't know how to teach you guys how to do a round and demonstrate it just being by myself in my studio. So we skipped a page. We're up to the page where at the very top of the page it says Tithe Notes. And if you read what it says at the top of the paper, it says notes of the same pitch, same sound, tied together by a curved line. So these are tithe notes, and you combine the number of beats in the first note with the number of beats in the second note. So the example there has a dotted half note being tied to another dotted half note. If we're in 3/4 or 4/4 time, a dotted half note is going to be 3 beats. So another dotted half note is going to be 3 beats. So if we're tying 2 notes that are 3 beats long together, how many beats are we going to hold those combined notes for? 6 beats. And we have an example of that in Down in the Valley, which is a student duet, so it's all notes that you guys already know. And use your finger and count the measures. We're in 3/4 time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 5th and 6th measures of the top part have an A note tied to another A note in the next measure, and those 2 notes combined are going to be 6 beats. So you're going to tap your foot 6 times while you hold that super long note. Okay? If you look at the beginning of Down in the Valley, it says moderato. It's not too fast. Also, we have a sharp sign on the 5th line of the treble clef staff. Count from the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we have that sharp sign. No, it's not called a pound sign. It's not anything else. It was a sharp sign before all of that computerized stuff came out. Okay? So that means that F is sharp in this song. The entire song, if you see the note F, you're not playing F, you're playing F sharp. That's called our key signature, and it tells us that basically there's a particular scale that we're using in this piece of music. When you have 1 sharp, you're using a G scale. But all you really need to know is that all the F's in Down in the Valley, in the top part and the bottom part, are F sharp. We could name the notes. We could name the notes right quick of part number, the top part. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. Ready, and D, G, A, B, G, G, B, A, G, A, D, F sharp, A, D, A, C, B, A, G. Remember guys, you're tapping your foot for each of the quarter notes. So quarter notes get 1 tap, half notes get 2 taps while you sustain the tone, and a dotted half note gets 3 beats. So you're tapping your foot 3 times for the dotted half note, and for the 2 dotted half notes that are tied together, we're tapping our foot 6 times. Okay, let's play it together. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. Ready, and there's a harmony part. The bottom part has rests on the first 2 beats of that first measure. So when I say 1, 2, 3, 1, ready, play, rest, rest, F sharp, G. Okay, as a matter of fact, let's say the notes for that bottom part. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, ready, play, rest, rest, F sharp, G, D, E, D, E, D, G, D, F sharp, D, E, D, D, rest, rest. F sharp, C, B, A, G, F sharp, E, E, D, F sharp, rest. B, D, G. Alright, let's play that right quick, shall we? 1, 2, 3, or 1, 2, 3, or 1, 2, 3, or 1. Ready and rest, rest. Yes, that second line, that bottom part of Down in the Valley is, you really have to be paying attention, a lot of repetition. It doesn't sound like much, but it goes with the top part. Why don't I give you guys some piano accompaniment for Down in the Valley. 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, ready, play. Enjoy reading your Tithe Notes and playing Down in the Valley.